The 53 years receipt. 53 years ago, something happened that shaped every receipt you've ever touched. It was 1973. The world was in chaos. Oil prices had quadrupled, the stock market was crashing, and the American dollar, once backed by gold, was floating alone, naked, with nothing to hold it up. So Nixon made a deal. Not with Congress, not with the people, with a king. Saudi Arabia was scared, they'd just lost a war. Their enemies were circling, they needed protection, the most advanced military on earth. America said, "We'll protect you. We'll give you weapons. We'll make sure no one touches your throne." But there was a price. Every barrel of oil you sell must be priced in dollars. Not gold, not your currency, not a basket of trade. Dollars. And because the world needed oil, the world needed dollars. Every country, every company, every tanker, all of them had to get dollars first, before they could buy a single drop. That was the trap. Beautiful, simple, permanent. The petrodollar was born. For 50 years, it worked like clockwork. America printed money. The world bought oil with it. Then they recycled those dollars back into American debt. We borrowed. They lent. Everyone paid. The middleman collected fees on every barrel. And if anyone tried to break the rule? In 2000, Saddam Hussein started selling oil in euros. 3 years later, the US invaded Iraq. The message was clear. This system is not optional. But systems crumble, slowly at first, then all at once. In 2022, Russia invaded Ukraine. The West sanctioned them. Suddenly, Russian oil was trading in rubles and yuan, not dollars. A crack appeared. China kept pushing. They signed deals. They launched yuan futures. They whispered to every oil producer, "There's another way." Then came 2024. Rumors spread that Saudi Arabia, the original partner, let the 50-year agreement expire. Not renewed, not replaced, just ended. The silence was deafening. And now? Today, March 2026, Iran controls the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow throat through which 20% of the world's oil must pass. 150 tankers are dead in the water. Global supply is frozen, prices are spiking, and Iran just made an offer. "We'll let limited tankers through," they said. On one condition, the oil must be paid in yuan. Not dollars. Yuan. Think about what just happened. The first crack was Russia, a pariah, easy to ignore. But this is Iran, a founding member of OPEC, sitting on the world's second-largest gas reserves, controlling the strait itself. They're not asking permission, they're setting terms. And if tankers start moving through Hormuz with cargoes priced in yuan, the petrodollar doesn't just crack. It breaks. 53 years ago, oil became dollars because one king traded his country's resources for American protection. Today, oil might become yuan because another country realized, we don't need protection from a middleman who starts wars. The 1973 deal kept the dollar alive for half a century. The 2026 moment might be the receipt that finally comes due. So here's the question they don't want you to ask. If oil no longer needs dollars, what does the dollar need? Follow the receipt.